Look what you have done to my work! Look what you've done to me! What the? My car! My car! Yeah! My car! My car! Oh no! My car, that dog! I will get him and make sure he pays for this! Why me? I can't be acting!
What is the meaning of this? I told you to use a nice material to sew a dress for me. You used a dirty material. What you did, it's not nice. I don't need it anymore. Oh, how lovely! Get up! No! Woof! Oh, you bad dog! Boo-hoo! Look what he has done to me.
All right, boy, let's grab this and go. Run, boy, run! Good boy, keep up! Sir, you're under arrest. I'm sorry for stealing, but I stole the bread from my dog. My dog was hungry. Please forgive me. No, please, I'm begging you, let me go. Officer, mercy! I have nothing! My dog is chasing after me. Please, can I at least take my dog along with me? Please, officer. No problem. Let's go get him. It's okay, boy. I'm right here. Quiet back there. No talking. I know, buddy. This isn't goodbye. I'll find you again, I promise. Why did you steal the bread? I did it for my dog. He hasn't eaten in 3 days. We're homeless and I can't lose him. I have something for you. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're free to go. You're free to go. Take care. I will. Thank you. Stay safe out there.